Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing good. In today's video we will see one of the AWS service which is called Amazon Cloudfront. Amazon Cloudfront is a content delivery network service provided by AWS which deliver content such as web pages, images, videos to users with low latency and high data transfer speeds. Cloudfront improve read performance by catching content at edge locations or point of presence around the world, which is closest to end users, and reduces distance required to retrieve content from the original server. Cloudfront also supports the security features such as HTTPS support, custom SSL certificate, and also offer DDoS protection by integrating with Shield and AWS Web Application Firewall. Currently what we are seeing is AWS edge locations around the world. Consider an example, a person in America want to retrieve the content from a S3 bucket which is stored in Australia. When first time he wants to retrieve the content from the S3 bucket, the request will go to the Amazon Cloudfront edge location. If the content is not available, the first time it will retrieve the content from S3 bucket from the Australia, and it will store the local cache in edge location in America. Suppose a second person from the America wants to retrieve the same content from the S3 bucket, it will not go and retrieve the content from the S3 bucket in Australia. Instead it retrieve the content from the edge location. This is how it will works. The same example I detailed here. Consider a person from America request S3 content through Cloudfront, and the request went and it retrieves the content from S3 bucket and stores in the edge location. Suppose if second person from America requests, the request will not go to the S3 bucket. Instead it will go to the Cloudfront and it will look for the content from the edge location cache file. If it is available, it retrieve from here itself and it deliver to the second user. Hope this picture gives a clear understanding. Now we'll see the hands-on demo. In this demo we'll see how the restricted S3 block public access file can be accessed through Cloudfront, Amazon Cloudfront. Now we are in AWS Management Console and I open the S3 bucket. First we'll create S3 bucket to upload the files for distribution. The name as JBucket. Okay, and with the default settings I'm creating the bucket. Okay, this name is already available, so okay, I'm creating the bucket. Okay, once I created bucket, I'm uploading the files. All the files I'm having here. I'm just adding the files. Okay, I have one JPEG image and index.html. Okay, I'm uploading this file. Okay, the upload got completed. Now moving to Amazon Cloudfront for creating the distribution. Okay, I was in Amazon Cloudfront Management Console. I'm creating the distribution. Okay, I'm looking for the bucket which I created. Now I selected that bucket. Okay, currently our bucket is not a public, so we cannot select this option, and this is the original access control settings. This is the recommended way. This is the older way. By using original access identity, we will be selecting the recommended one. Okay, and now I am creating the original access control. Create control settings. Okay, origin type S3. Okay, I created one, and you must update the S3 bucket provide you the policy statements. Okay, this is a S3 bucket policy. No need to do anything here. Okay, with respect to web application firewall, I am disabling that currently, and the default route I am giving the index.html which we uploaded in the S3 bucket. I'm creating the distribution. Okay, I'm copying the policy. Okay, going to the S3 bucket. Okay, I'm just editing the bucket policy. Okay, I'm adding the bucket policy here. We need to add this in order to access the S3 bucket by Cloudfront distribution. If you see here, it is allowing the Cloudfront to get the objects from the S3 bucket. Okay, before doing that, what I will do, we'll try to access the objects which we uploaded, right? We'll try to access that. Okay, first I'll try to access from the object URL. Okay, since it is not public, it is not denying that request. Okay, and then trying to open from the security token. It is not allowing the images since the image is not public. Okay, now we will check the distribution have been completed or not in Cloudfront. Okay, the distribution name have been completed. We'll try to access it. Okay, you are able to see the image, right? This is how we can access the S3 uploaded blocked public access image via Cloudfront. Okay, and now we'll see the origin access control. Okay, the origin access control is having the distribution which is used to access the S3 bucket. Hope this hands-on demo help you to understand a little bit picture on the Amazon Cloudfront, how it is used to access the S3 blocked static website. Thanks. If you like this content, just click subscribe my YouTube channel. I try to upload as much as possible AWS content or testing related things as well. Thanks everyone.